Have you ever heard the sentence, "The sneaky brown snake slithered silently across the sandy path"? This sentence is packed with adjectives that describe the snake and create a vivid image. Today, we're going to explore what adjectives are, how they're used, and how they impact the meaning and feeling of a sentence. So, what exactly is an adjective? Simply put, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. It tells us about size, color, age, origin, material, or shape. Adjectives help paint a clearer picture of the things we're talking about. Without adjectives, our sentences would be bland and lack detail. Take the example, the cheerful toddler clutched her bright red balloon. Here, cheerful describes the toddler, and bright red describes the balloon. These adjectives tell us what they look like and give us insight into the scene's mood and emotion. Let's take another look at the sentence. The sneaky brown snake slithered silently across the sandy path. The adjectives sneaky and brown affect how we perceive the snake. Sneaky makes the snake seem secretive or sly, creating a sense of danger. Brown is an earthy, neutral color. It makes the snake seem more grounded and natural, blending into the environment rather than standing out. If we had used green instead of brown, the effect would have been different. Green could make the snake seem more exotic or wild, creating a sharper contrast with its surroundings. This small color change would have shifted the mood to something more striking and possibly unsettling. This shows how powerful adjectives are in shaping the tone of a sentence. Even a small change can alter how readers feel. Some of the best examples of adjectives come from literature. Take William Shakespeare, who loved to use strong adjectives in his writing. In Othello, he used the phrase, "thou lily-livered knave." Here, the adjective lily-livered describes a cowardly person, a powerful way to create an image of someone weak and fearful. In Little Women, we find another beautiful use of adjectives. She drew out a little crimson-covered book. The word crimson-covered not only describes the book's color, but also adds richness to the scene, making the book feel special and significant. Now think about how adjectives can make your writing more exciting. Instead of saying, "the cake was good," you could say, "the cake was a rich, velvety masterpiece with smooth chocolate icing." Suddenly, that cake sounds irresistible. Or imagine describing fireworks. Instead of just saying, "the fireworks were nice," you could say, "the bright, dazzling fireworks lit up the sky." Adjectives like bright and dazzling help readers picture exactly what the fireworks looked like. Adjectives are incredibly powerful. They don't just describe what things look like, they affect how we feel about them, set the mood, and help bring sentences to life. So, next time you write, think about how adjectives can enhance your descriptions, create images in your reader's mind, and make your writing more engaging. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to improve your writing. See you next time.